All right, this is it. If you understand this module, you understand how the market works. So everything else we're going to learn sits on top of this structure. But this is the skeleton. So here it is: trap, move, anchor. That's it. So the market isn't random chaos, it's structured chaos. And this structure repeats over and over again. If you can see the structure, it'll keep you from feeling lost. Let's check out the market pattern. I want you to look at the image carefully. The red box is the trap, the green box is the move, and the blue box is the anchor. It matters to know that the market doesn't just go up and down, it cycles. If you try to trade without knowing what part of the cycle you're in, you're basically guessing. And we don't do that here. Before there's a trap and before there's a move, there's balance. Price always starts in balance. It means the market is hovering around an average price. It looks boring. Small highs, small lows with this really tight range. Nothing exciting happens here. And beginners hate this part, of course, because we want the action. But the balance is necessary. The balance is the contraction, and the move is the expansion. And the trap is where most people get wrecked. This is when price first moves away from balance. It's often fast, emotional, exciting. It might spike up aggressively, and everyone thinks, oh, it's breaking out. But it's actually bait. So this trap is designed to get people committed to moving in the wrong direction. It pulls traders in emotionally. It creates an imbalance. But the trap is not the move. The trap is the pullback before the real move. We do not trade the trap, but we do learn to recognize it. This alone will save you a ton of frustration. So once enough traders are caught in the wrong direction and that pressure builds, then the move begins. It's cleaner, it's more obvious, it's a long, slow grind in one direction. This is where your trade lives, not in the spike or the emotional candles. It's in the boring, structured move. So we don't predict the trap. We wait for confirmation that the move has begun. That's discipline, and that's what separates gamblers from traders. So price can't run forever. Orders are closed, profits are taken, and momentum slows. When that happens, price begins drifting back towards balance. That return is the anchor. This is where the move finishes and the market resets. You don't chase the anchor either, but we do recognize it, because once the anchor completes, then we're back at balance and the cycle starts all over again. So this cycle repeats consistently. After every move, price returns to balance again. So the market has this breathing pattern. It inhales, it exhales, it contracts, and it expands. So the market is fractal. That big move you see, it's made up of smaller trap, move, anchor cycles. When you zoom in, you'll see smaller versions. And when you zoom out, you'll see bigger versions. Same structure, different size. The trap inside the big trap, it has its own trap, move, anchor. And that move inside that bigger move has its own mini cycles. It repeats at every single level. And that's why traders get confused. They get conflicting directions, but really they're just looking at different cycle sizes. So for this challenge, we're focusing on the intraday cycle. So scalpers trade the tiny cycles, day traders trade the intraday, swing traders will hold that trade for multiple day, and position traders trade the longer macro trends. Once you learn this pattern, you can trade any cycle. But for the 3x30, we're trading the intraday. Why? Well, because we want to open and close positions the same day. We're going to focus on the middle of the move. We're extracting a clean portion of the daily cycle. That keeps it simple. And later you can expand, but first we're going to master this. There's no need to overcomplicate this. You don't need to memorize any definitions. You just need to start seeing the behavior. And when you learn this structure, you can read any chart, any time frame, any pair. The structure is universal. The market is built to trick you. Your job is to not outsmart it. Your job is to follow structure. Follow the rules when you practice, because confidence comes from consistency, and consistency comes from following the rules. I want to be clear right away. The trap, move, anchor is not an entry signal. It doesn't tell you when to click buy. It tells you where you are. It's a map. And if you don't know where you are on the map, you don't trade. This pattern happens every day, but not on your schedule, not in your size, and not to your convenience. Some days the trap is tiny, some days the anchor drags out. Messy days happen, but it does not break the structure. And at first, you will only see the pattern after the fact, and that's totally normal. Everyone does. We're not predicting traps, we're not forcing trades, we wait for the move. All right, rule number 1. This is important. If you cannot tell what part of the cycle you're in, you do not trade. No exceptions. If you do not know, you do not click. That rule alone will protect you more than any indicator ever will. Now that you understand the basics of structure, we're going to learn to see it in real time. And this is where it gets fun, because once you see it, you can't unsee it. And when you can see structure, trading stops feeling emotional and you start feeling in control. And that's what we're building.